Welcome to the tutorial of Meet the GIMP. My name is Rolf Steinert and I am recording this in Bremen, Northern Germany. Let's start the tutorial with an email which I got. I got an email by David Vanselen and he asked me how to draw simple figures with geometrics with GIMP. So let's first start with the most easy way, that is with the straight lines. A straight line can be difficult to draw, but if you make a point here and press the shift key and make another point, you can easily draw a straight line. So these are straight lines. Press Ctrl Z to undo. A square is a bit more complicated. Just go to Toolbox and select the rectangle tool and keep the aspect ratio as 3:3. So it should be a square. Now I have a square selection, so go to Edit, Stroke Selection. I can do some changes here. I can fix the line width, or I can use the Paint tool and I select Paintbrush in Paint tool and click on Stroke, and here you have your square. If you want to fill this square, it's easy. Just go here to my color palette and drag the black color into the square. The same can be done with the ellipse selection. I just can select ellipse and go to Edit and select Stroke Selection. For more complicated figures, select Path tool. I can create a path by making points, and when I click on the last point, my path is finished. Then I can go here to Edit and start to modify these handles the way you want to. You can practice it and understand. It's very easy. The last thing I want to do is stroke the path, and I get the same options here, and when I click on stroke, I have a perfect line. It's not a straight line, but it's perfect line. And this was it for this week. For more information, go to meetthegimp.org, and if you want to send a comment, please write to info@meetthegimp.org. Goodbye. This is Hemant Vaidande dubbing for the Spoken Tutorial project.